Hello, how you doing there? So today we're making these chicken wings. Beautiful garlic, smoked paprika, tomatoes. Really quite easy and delicious. Now it's also quite a cheap meal. If you buy a box of chicken wings, much cheaper than a whole chicken or chicken parts. So there we go. Let's get on with this. Times are hard. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to go straight in on this one. I've got about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm using here olive oil. You can change that if you want. And I've got these wings. I've got 1 kg of wings. That's a couple of pound, 2.2 pound to be precise. There's about 20, I think there's 20, 24 here, something like that. We're going to drop them all in. We're on a medium heat. Don't go too crazy with the heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to add salt and pepper, and then we're going to fry these around for about 5 to 6 minutes. Some salt, black pepper, medium heat, off we go. See you in about 6. Okay, beautiful, about 6 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce this oil down by 80%, then I'll be back. So reduce the oil down. We've got some lovely flavour in there, little bits of the chicken stuck to the pan. That all adds to the vibe. We're going to go with a cup of onion. We're staying on a medium heat, by the way. And a tablespoon of garlic. Back in 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up, we're going to go with some tomato paste. I've got there 135 grams. Or it's one of those small little Tetra Pak things. We're going to work this in again for about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time now. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to go with some fresh tomatoes. Check this out. So I've got 3 cups of tomatoes there, fresh tomatoes that I've put into my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just chop your tomatoes really small. You can do this with canned or tinned tomatoes if you want. I think fresh is better, of course. I'm going to go with some salt again and black pepper, and now I'm going to add a heaped, or let's say this is 2 teaspoons. That was a heaped one, very heaped, of a smoked paprika. Now this smoked paprika is also quite hot, so you can get smoked paprika that's just very sweet and mild, or one that's got a bit of a kick to it like this. But yeah, super delicious. Right, we're going to let this go again, medium heat, 6 minutes now. Give it a stir every now and then. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to take our chicken wings again and get them in. We're going to give them a little mix. And then we're going to put a lid on this, stay on the medium heat, and we're going to go for another 5 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. We've done it. Beautiful. Really simple smoked paprika tomato wings. Delicious stuff. Okay, and there you go. So yeah, just serve that with a little bit of parsley on the top. Stick that in the middle of the table. That's a lovely meal for the family, quite cheap. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.